Hello, my lovely students. Welcome to my channel, Help Study. I am Shankari Shaha, your biology ma'am. Hello, students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Fine. Very good. I am also fine with you. स्टडी कैसी चल रही है आपकी? जोर जार से पढ़ाई चल रही है ना? ठीक है, चलते रहो, पढ़ाई करते रहो। मैं भी आपके साथ हूँ। क्लास शुरू करें? ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्लास. ओके? The answers of these questions are given at the end of this video, so don't miss this video. Okay? Welcome to the next video of ICSE Board Examination 2024 Biology Solved Paper Class 10th. Already I have shared you two parts of this video. This is the last part. Section B, 40 marks. Attempt any 4 questions from this section. Question 3. 1. Expand the abbreviation NADP. 1 mark. 2. Mention 2 adaptations in roots for absorption of water from the soil. 2 marks. 3. Differentiate between afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole in the point of view diameter. 2 marks. 4. Give 2 examples of water pollutants. 2. 5. Ali has some pea plants in this garden which need a support to grow as seen in the picture given below. 3 marks. Picture is given below. Pea plant. I will share the answers of these questions at the end of the video. So don't skip this video. Okay. A. Name the phenomenon depicted by the shoot in the given figure. B. Define the above phenomenon. C. Write the name of the part marked X. Tendril. Question 4. 1. Give the biological term for the surgical method of contraception in human females. 1. 2. State 2 harmful effects of acid rain on the environment. 2. 3. Mention 2 advantages of transpiration. 2. 4. Write any 2 objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. 2. 5. Mohan is fond of playing basketball. His concentration is on shooting the ball into the opponent's basket as given in the picture. A. Which part of the brain helps Mohan to concentrate in putting the ball into the basket? B. Name the sense organ that helps to gauge the distance between the ball and the basket. C. Name the part of the brain that coordinates all the voluntary muscles of his body. Mohan is playing basketball. Question 5. 1. Name the type of nerve which has the fibers of both sensory and motor neurons. 1. 2. Differentiate between Australopithecus and modern man based on body hair. 2. 3. Birth rate in India is very high. Mention 2 reasons in support of this statement. 2. 4. Give the exact location of A. Pericardium. B. Bicuspid valve. 2. 5. Given below is a schematic representation of the inheritance of the shape of seeds of garden pea. Answer the questions that follow. Parent, dominant, recessive. F1 generation, dominant. Obviously, hybrid. F2 generation, 4 offsprings pea plant are originated. Phenotypically, 3 plants are with dominant characters. 1 is with recessive characters. And genotypically, 1 is pure dominant, 2 are hybrid dominant, and 1 is pure recessive. Genotypically, the ratio is 1:2:1, and phenotypically the ratio is 3:1. A. Which is the dominant and recessive allele of the trait? Dominant, recessive. B. What does the ratio 3:1 in the F2 generation represent? C. State Mendel's law of dominance. Next question, question 6. 1. Define the term diapedesis. 1. To distinguish between diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus, endocrine gland concerned. In the point of view, endocrine gland. Distinguish between diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus. 2. 3. Carbon monoxide is dangerous when inhaled in excess. Comment on the statement. 2. Very important. 4. The diagram given below shows a section of the human ovary. 2. Ovary section. This picture is showing the ovary of a female body. A. Name the process for the release of the part labeled 1. Release हो रहा है, release हो रहा है, releasing. Ovum is releasing. Name the process. Ovulation. B. Write the name of the structure marked 2. These structures are corpus luteum. 5. Draw a neat labeled diagram of a chloroplast. Question 7. 1. Define the term hormone. 1. 2. Which parts of the ear are responsible for A. Static equilibrium, B. Dynamic equilibrium. 2. 3. Mention 2 structural differences between an artery and a vein. 2. 4. Write any 2 limitations of using a Ganong spotometer to demonstrate the uptake of water. 2. 5. A teacher drew the diagram of heart on the blackboard and told the students to copy it in their notebooks. Mahesh couldn't see the diagram clearly as it appeared blurred to him. 3. A. Name the defect of the eye Mahesh is suffering from. Where is the image formed in this defect? C. Mahesh consults an eye doctor and is prescribed suitable lenses to correct the defect. Which type of lens do his spectacles have? Very important this question is. Next question, question 8. All the answers will be given at the end of this video. Question 8. 1. Define the term ultrafiltration. 1. 2. Name the mineral elements required for A. Clotting of blood, B. Synthesis of thyroxine. 2. 3. Mention 2 harmful effects of noise pollution. 2. 4. Why are RBCs efficient in their functions, though they lack nucleus and mitochondria? 2. Very important. 5. The diagram given below represents a stage in mitosis. 3. A. Identify the stage given above. B. Give one reason to support your answer in A. C. Mention the number of chromosomes given in the diagram. In the section B, there are 6. You have to attempt any 4 questions out of 6. The answers are given here. I hope this video is effective for you. So subscribe my channel. My channel name is Help Study. Who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Like, comment and share this video because this video is very important for you. I have shared you this video by the 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Don't skip or don't avoid or don't miss these videos because this question paper is very important for the ICSE board exam 2025. That means for you. Okay, be mentally strong and physically fit. No tension. Visit playlist and community post. Follow the videos from the playlist. Follow my channel. No tension. Okay, thank you. Love you all. Best of luck.